Right, it's Aslan. I'm back for part 3 of this juice this morning on Tuesday, 15th of December 2020. I've got the juice here, about 1.1 liters. I've got a frosted glass here straight out of my freezer. And what I've got here is my homemade jaljira powder. So first I'm going to taste half a glass neat without the jaljira, see how it goes. Wow, that was excellent. Nice balance of sour and sweet. Sour from the lemon and limau kapas, which are citrus, and so they have ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C, as well as citric acid, which is vital for both lipolysis, which is fat metabolism, and glycolysis, which is glucose metabolism. And then you have the one fruit I forgot to mention earlier. I had half a chayote in there. Chayote, chayote. I don't know how the South Americans pronounce it, but in Malaysia we call it labu siam, only because they don't know it's from the neo-tropics. They think it's from Thailand. Siam being the old name for Thailand, or Siam as the Westerners would call it. Anyway. Chayote or labu siam has a moderate amount of vitamin C, ascorbic acid as well. So that would help you with your antioxidants. A pineapple also has ascorbic acid. Anyway, the taste was really nice. Not necessary to put the jaljira powder, but I'm going to try it with the jaljira powder anyway, just to see how it goes. Now, jaljira powder is a Hindi for cumin powder. So basically, it's cumin with salt, and chili powder. I put fine chili powder, some mint powder, some mint leaves, some ginger powder, some black pepper powder. What else did I put there? Asafoetida, that goes in the recipe as well. So it's got all that stuff which is supposed to be good for digestion. And it's got salt. I don't put that much salt in it. I had I made 3 of these jars, and for all 3 jars I use 7 heaped teaspoons of salt. Regular sea salt, fine regular sea salt. In the Indian recipe, they use both sea salt as well as black salt. I saw black salt being sold at Modern Store in Brickfields a couple of weeks ago on the 6th of December, but I didn't buy it. Maybe I should, just for the hell of it. Anyway, what's floating on top is the mint leaves. Now, the mint leaves tend to be dry and a bit hydrophobic. So, and also the mint leaves are better with hot water because they kind of soak up, get absorbed, and the flavor comes out, the essential oils in the mint. With cold water or cold juice like this, it just floats to the top and you don't taste the mint so much. Anyway, the mint has some polyphenols and antioxidant properties, so if you just drink the dried mint leaves which float at the top, it'll be fine, nothing harmful. Okay, I'm gonna give this a taste test, let you know what it tastes like. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, that's out of this world. It's super good. Okay, I have 2 spoons here, 1 dry spoon for the jaljira powder, and 1 spoon for stirring. Now, what I also put in my jaljira powder is amla, which is dried green mango powder. That's also in the traditional jaljira recipe. But I added 2 things which are not in the traditional jaljira recipe. I've added some citric acid, which is a lime flavored powder. It's sold by Knorr. Okay, that's not a whole food and it's like chemical, but actually citric acid is vital for both lipolysis as well as glycolysis. So I'm making an exception there. And the other thing that I put is amla powder. Now, amla powder is not traditionally used in jaljira, but I put 500 grams for the whole of these 3 jars, just to boost the antioxidant property.